This is Class 8 English, Term 1, Unit 2, Prose, Friendship. This prose is divided into 3 sections. Let us see the section 1. This is a story on the friendship between Vetri and Ashif. Vetri was a successful businessman in Coimbatore. His Vetri Construction Company constructed many shipping complexes, houses, and a few apartments in and around Coimbatore. After his father's death, he was forced to split the wealth to his brothers. From then on, Vetri found it difficult to establish his business. He could not pay the loans taken to run his company. So, he sold all his properties and paid the loans. He moved to a very small house with his family. He found a job and led a normal life. But he decided to start a company again. No one was ready to lend him money. One day, his wife suggested him to ask his friend Ashif for help. But Vetri hesitated to ask him for help, as he had not seen him for a long time. After deep thought, he decided to meet his friend Ashif, who was in Chennai. Let us see the section 2. Vetri boarded the train to Chennai. His memory went back to school days. They lived in the beautiful village near Coimbatore. The teachers and students would never forget Vetri and Asif and their friendship. They were always together in learning and playing. See, the friendship started on the first day of school. When Vetri's parents dropped him at the school, he started crying. Asif consoled him with the chocolate and asked him not to cry. From that day, they stayed together, played together, and even exchanged their food. Their friendship grew stronger with time. They were always good in studies and helped each other in lessons. There was always a healthy competition between them. Surprisingly, the exams results and marks never affected their friendship. Their friendship continued till 10th standard. Then Asif moved to Chennai and Vetri stayed in Coimbatore. Now section 3. When Vetri went to Asif's office, he was stopped by the security. Vetri told him that he wanted to meet his friend Asif. The security directed Vetri to the receptionist. When Vetri was asking the receptionist whether he could meet Asif, his friend, Vetri got a pat on his back. It was Asif, his friend. Asif saw him through the CCTV camera and came down to receive him. Vetri was speechless and apologized to Asif that he did not get a chance to visit Chennai till then. They spoke about their school days, the fun they had. They discussed about their business. Asif took Vetri to his home for lunch. Vetri was surprised to see that everyone knows him. In the evening, Asif dropped him in the railway station. Vetri reached home and told his wife everything in detail. 2 days later, he received a call from Asif's office stating that Asif, their MD, has assigned a project to Vetri. See here, without asking his help, Vetri returned home. But Asif was a true friend. He understood his friend's current status and assigned him a project to Vetri. Thus, Asif showed his true friendship. Friendship is the finest balm to cure all the diseases. Thank you.